The MMXM Twitter indicator model, specifically for the ICT style, is offered on the TradingFinder site for various platforms. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the Tabo chart. Additionally, traders can study this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to activate the Allow DLL Imports option from the command section and then click on the Confirm button. Once the indicator is loaded onto the chart, it begins identifying the highs and lows of the 24-hour range and marks the opening time of the New York session within this range until the closing of the New York session. The lines drawn on the chart do not extend, but they are considered for identifying breaks and sweeps. When any of the levels are broken, the price has up to 6 candles to return to the broken area. Otherwise, it is displayed with a break label. If the price manages to return in less than 6 candles to the broken area, it is displayed with a sweep label. Additionally, this indicator has 2 powerful filters on the price chart. If it successfully sweeps, the indicator seeks to identify a strategy on the price chart. In case of a strategy level break, a buy or sell signal is issued on the chart. The method of identifying the strategy level is based on the last trend candle. For example, here we are in an upward trend and a sweep has occurred for us. The indicator follows the last bullish candle in this trend, which, in this case, is this section, and it considers the strategy level based on the open of the candle. If this level is broken, it issues a strategy signal for us. Additionally, another filter is applied to this indicator, the FVG1 filter, which is a special tool if the price reaches an FVG range on a 1-hour time frame and then returns from that hour, and if a CISD break occurs, a CISD signal with FVG is issued for us in the settings section. In the input section, several options are available for us where you can enable or disable the FVG filter. If you activate this option, when the price enters an FVG on a 1-hour time frame and exits the FVG range and a CISD level break occurs with FVG, it will issue a buy or sell signal. In the next section, you can enable or disable the status of the broker server being located in the European region. In the following section, if you are looking to backtest using this indicator, because in backtest mode, the GMT time and server time become the same for display purposes, and for more accurate backtesting, you can specify the time difference between GMT and your server here. Enter it based on seconds so that the indicator Michomo can perform calculations for you with greater accuracy. After confirming the settings, you can use this indicator. The next important point is the time frame for using this indicator. This indicator can only be used in the 15-minute time frame and not in other time frames. It does not have the capability to work in other time frames. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.